Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and let me take you on a journey to mastering the art of grilling the perfect steak on a BBQ. Now, there's a symphony to this, a dance between fire, meat, and time. So, grab your tongs, put on your apron, and let's get started. First, let's talk about the cut of meat. The choice of steak is crucial. Ribeye New York strip, T-bone, or filet mignon are all excellent choices. Look for a piece with good marbling, those white flecks of fat running through the meat, because that's where the flavor lives. Remember, fat equals flavor. Next up, preparation. Take your steak out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before cooking. You want it at room temperature so it cooks evenly. Pat it dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of a good sear, and a good sear is essential for flavor. Seasoning. Keep it simple. A generous sprinkle of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper on both sides is all you need. Some purists might argue for a dash of garlic powder or a brush of melted butter, but let's stick to basics for now. Now the grill. Preheat it. You want it hot? Really hot. We're talking about 450, 500 degrees, 232, 260 degrees C. If you're using charcoal, make sure those coals are white hot. For gas grills, crank up the heat and let it sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes. A hot grill ensures a beautiful, caramelized crust. All right, it's time to place that steak on the grill. Lay it down gently at a 45-degree angle to the grates. This isn't just for looks. Those lovely grill marks are a sign of proper cooking. Resist the urge to move it around. Let it sear for 3-4 minutes. Now here's the tricky part. The flip. Use tongs, not a fork. You don't want to pierce the meat and let those precious juices escape. Flip it over and let it sear on the other side for another 3-4 minutes. Remember, we're going for a nice crust on the outside while keeping it juicy on the inside. Temperature is key. For a medium rare steak, you're aiming for an internal temperature of 130, 135 degree, 54, 57 degree. Use an instant read thermometer to check. Insert it into the thickest part of the steak. If you don't have a thermometer, use the finger test. Gently press the center of the steak. It should feel like the fleshy part of your hand beneath the thumb when you touch your thumb to your middle finger. Once it's done, remove the steak from the grill and let it rest. This is crucial. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. While it's resting, you can finish with a touch of flair. A pat of herb butter on top, a sprinkle of sea salt, or a drizzle of chimichurri can elevate your steak to new heights. And there you have it, the perfect steak. Simple, yet sophisticated. Juicy, flavorful, with a crust that sings of smoky char. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, savor each bite, and know that you've mastered the art of the BBQ steak. Bon appetit. Fire Soul. Subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share.